Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I'd like to thank the Peachy Clean store for sending me these silicone scrubbers. They smell like peaches, and they come in other scents as well. I just took my basket out of the air fryer, so I'm going to give them a quick try. They're silicone, and it comes 3 in a package. They smell so good. So what we're going to do is just clean the fryer, and it does it nicely without scratching. And you don't have all of that food debris in the silicone pad. It did not scratch my air fryer pan, which I like. Put a little soap in here. But I do like these. They're just a real clean pad and easy to clean. It was easy to clean my air fryer container. And I'm also going to clean the little plate that my pork chop sat on. So let's see how that does. Nice and clean. Again, there's no scratching. It's nice and clean. And the sponge cleans nicely as well. You don't have a lot of food debris in the sponge. I think I like them. And you will too. So give them a try. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.